In this video, I have 6 problems for you. I'm going to do for you. Hopefully you can learn from this. Without further ado, let's begin. In order to solve for x, you're going to want to divide by 450 on both sides. So you're going to have 2000 divided by 450. You can always simplify, but I'm choosing not to because I have a 10-minute limit and I want to be really fast with this. So 2000 divided by 450 equals e to the power of 0.4 times x. What you're going to do next is put the ln side, like multiply it basically, kind of. So put the ln sign in front of this. So it's going to be ln of 2000 divided by 450 is now equal to ln of e raised to the 0.4x. If you're seeing this whole thing right here, that basically means that cancels out to a 1. So you're going to be left with ln 2000 divided by 450 is equal to 0.4x. So your exact answer is going to be ln. So actually, your unsimplified exam, because your 2000 over 450 isn't simplified, so it's not really exact, but it is. So 2000 divided by 450 divided by 0.4 is going to equal x, which is about 3.73. Your actual answer for that's going to be 3.72914. But this is your answer right here. Let me highlight it for you. Or choose the text color. Stop one, highlight yellow. Your next problem. So in this one, you're basically doing the same thing. You're multiplying each side by ln. So here, let me change this text to red 18. So I don't know why it auto defaults. The bug, I think, but I really don't know. So you're gonna have ln of 250 is equal to ln of e, and then whatever that is. So is it? Use 2x minus 1 divided by 3. So as I said before, this cancels out, and you're gonna have ln 250 is equal to this right here. Let me copy and paste that. Control C, Control V. Now you're gonna want to multiply both sides by 3. So you're gonna have 3 ln. Ooh, fancy, I know. Of 250 is equal to 2x minus 1. Then what you're gonna want to do is add 1 to both sides, then divide by 2 basically. So you're gonna end up with 3 ln of 250, and then it's gonna be plus 1. In my understanding, yes, it is. It is my understanding. Plus 1, and then oh yeah, and then you're gonna wait a second. Let me see where if I messed up somewhere. Yeah, no, I didn't mess up anywhere. My bad. Well, not my bad, but yeah. So it's gonna be that all of that, and then divide all of this with parentheses. Divide all of that by 2, And this is your exact answer, which is about 8.78. Close enough. So this is your answer. This is exact. This is about. Let me highlight. Okay, you guys understand. That's the answer right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. But yeah. Number 3. I have no idea why this is up here. I'm so stressed actually right now. So you basically have this, which can be factored out. But first, before that, I want to make this into a base of 10 because it's a big number. I don't like dealing with big numbers basically. So let's change my text to red. 18, good. It's auto default. So it's going to be 10. Actually, let me copy this whole thing right now. Control C, Control V, and that's for font, by the way, is equal to, or let me clear formatting, is equal to 10 to the 4th. Here, let me make all this red. Bigger font because it's easier to see. 10 to the 4th. Now this way we could just set this equal to this. And when you do that, that essentially leaves you with x squared minus 5x plus 6. What you're going to want to do is factor this out. And I have no idea why it's not red. But when you factor it out, you're going to get x is equal to, or x minus 2 times x minus 3. So your answers to this is going to be a set of solutions of 2 and 3. You can verify and check to see if that is true, but that is true. And this is your answer for number 3. Oh, this is getting annoying. Yeah, hopefully you guys can see that. Okay, simplifying rewriting into a single log. This is basically an expanded log, and it just wants to write in a simple form into a singular log. So this is going to be log times x to the 4th times this by y. And then all that. And this whole thing is divided by z squared. Keep in mind the z squared is part of the log, so it'd be like over here, but I really don't know how to make it in this area, like over. So if you guys can't tell, just think of it as like a fraction. Kind of what it is. I'm gonna stop talking. But this is your answer, which I am gonna highlight below. Okay. Number 5. Oh, this is a little tricky one. First, we're gonna move this exponent because I really don't like that exponent over there. So this is just gonna be for now. Control C, Control V. Let's remove this exponent and put it over here. And I really want this to be red, not highlighter. You can do that. Red right here. And then over here, you can do the change of base rule over here. So if you do that, so x log. Oh, I have 27 seconds left. 1 minute. I was running time actually. Like I have like 20 seconds left. So I already wrote down the steps for you and the answer, which is 0.15 about. I hope you can tell what the steps are for this.